Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get rid of pop-up. Your Microsoft account brings everything together on Microsoft Office apps. Okay, first things first, open Windows settings and go to System and then select Display. Under Scale and Layout, adjust the scale setting to 100% or 125%. Close the pop-up if it's open. Sign out then your Microsoft account and sign in again. When the pop-up appears, try to resize it by taking your mouse cursor to the corner. You should see a two-way arrow and drag the cursor to resize the dialog box. Resizing should allow the scroll bar to appear inside the dialog box. Scroll down and then Continue option should become clickable. Click then various corners of the pop-up until you see the scroll bar appear. Once the scroll bar appears, just click on the Continue option. For some users, right-clicking the top right corner of the pop-up allows them to close it too. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get rid of pop-up. Your Microsoft account brings everything together on Microsoft Office apps. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.